We celebrate 5 years of Transforma BXL. Join us on January 17 for a whole day of free exciting events. First event, the Tech Breakfast. This time we'll talk about technical debt, how it can damage the long-term aspirations of your product, how to control and limit it early on when you develop the product. The Team Pitfalls Workshop. What if building robots could help you overcoming pitfalls and building better teams? Try it out and see it for yourself. And you can get to play with Lego robots. How cool is that? The Sustainable Business Model Storming. Turn any business model into a sustainable one. You will get familiar with more than 50 concrete ways of turning business opportunities into sustainable businesses, while experimenting interactive and agile ways of working. You're a founder or startup in need of technical assistance, you can book free office hours with tech experts, either for software development or hardware prototyping. And you can come to work for free all day long. Last but not least, Transforma. Meet our thriving ecosystem, game-changing projects, pure hands-on entrepreneurial testimonies. There will be pitches, walking dinner, member show and tell, and even an acoustic concert. See you guys!